Hello, my friend. Welcome back to day 2 of the Think in English challenge. I hope you successfully completed day 1 and enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comments by typing day 1 completed. In today's video, we're going to learn how to express feelings and emotions in English. By the end of this video, you'll be able to express your feelings and emotions naturally in English. Listen carefully, think in English, and repeat after me. Once you've finished the video, don't forget to comment, Day 2 completed. I'd love to see how many of you are taking this challenge seriously. Let's get started. Relax, listen, speak. We'll start with positive feelings. These sentences will help you express happiness and excitement in English. I'm happy today. I'm happy today. I feel really good. I feel really good. I'm excited about today. I'm excited about today. I'm having a great day. I'm having a great day. This makes me smile. This makes me smile. I'm happy to see you. I'm happy to see you. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself. I'm enjoying this moment. I'm enjoying this moment. I feel full of energy. I feel full of energy. I can't stop smiling. I can't stop smiling. Now, let's learn how to express sadness and disappointment in everyday English. I'm feeling a little sad. I'm feeling a little sad. I miss my family. I miss my family. I feel a little lonely. I feel a little lonely. I'm a little upset. I'm a little upset. Things didn't go my way. Things didn't go my way. I wish today were better. I wish today were better. I need some time to relax. I need some time to relax. I hope tomorrow will be better. I hope tomorrow will be better. I'll be okay soon. I'll be okay soon. I'll try again. I'll try again. Sometimes we feel angry or frustrated. Here are some useful sentences you can use in those situations. I'm a little angry. I'm a little angry. I'm feeling annoyed. I'm feeling annoyed. I don't like this. I don't like this. This isn't fair. This isn't fair. That really bothers me. That really bothers me. I need to calm down. I need to calm down. Let me think for a moment. Let me think for a moment. It's okay, I'll be fine. I'll stay positive. I'll stay positive. Everyone makes mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Everyone feels worried or nervous sometimes. Let's practice expressing those feelings in English. I'm worried about tomorrow. I'm worried about tomorrow. I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous. I hope everything goes well. I hope everything goes well. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Can you help me? Can you help me? I need to stay calm. I need to stay calm. I'll do my best. I'll do my best. I believe I can do it. I believe I can do it. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. I shouldn't worry too much. I shouldn't worry too much. Finally, let's end with positive and motivating sentences. These will help you express confidence and encourage yourself in English. I'm feeling better now. I'm feeling better now. I'm learning every day. I'm learning every day. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I won't give up. I won't give up. I'm getting better every day. I'm getting better every day. I'm becoming more confident. I'm becoming more confident. Every day is a new chance. Every day is a new chance. Good things take time. Good things take time. I'll keep moving forward. I'll keep moving forward. I'm proud of my progress. I'm proud of my progress. Congratulations on completing day 2 of the Think in English challenge. If you completed today's challenge, let me know in the comments by typing Day 2 completed. Keep practicing these sentences until they become natural. The more you think in English, the more confident you'll become. Don't miss day 3, where we'll practice thinking in English through real-life situations. It's going to be even more practical and fun. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the English Corner by Kay. I'll see you in day 3. Until then, keep thinking in English. Bye.